Welcome to this tutorial about course setup. First we're going to talk about the department and category, where we have the options to make multiple departments. Normally if we just have the music school, it's going to be a music school here, and we have the categories, which could be instrumental or theater, for example. If we have two departments, it would most likely be because the school is divided, for example, in music department and culture department. So here we have music school and the categories within it. Over here we have what number it occurs. So when we're gonna make a course, this one that is number 1 is going to be the first one that pops up. So let's go to course. This is the overview of the courses that are in the music school right now. So we are going to create a new one. We're going to type in a name and a public name. Then we have to choose on which department and category we want this to be in. So this one is going to be in the instrument in the music school. We're going to choose here the registration setup, which is standard right now. We're going to go through in a later video guide about the other options we have. We have the course code, piano, and then we have this school year plan, which we're also gonna go through on a later tutorial. So this is standard. The course is active, and we have the option to put in a picture. The picture we are gonna put in here is gonna be shown on the website also, and in the registration tree also. So now it's set up and the course is active. The next thing we're gonna need is the course type. If we start up by going to the setup for the course types, this is where we are gonna make the different setups for individual or group lessons. So right now we have individual 20 and 30 minutes, and we have group lessons 30 and 50 minutes. We're just gonna type it in. Then we're gonna need the total number for this course, the number of weeks, or how many times it's going to be held. And then we're going to type in if it's a group or it's just individual, and put it in. So we're going to use the standard, say individual or group, for example. So we take the group, and it's going to copy the setup that has already been typed in, but we can choose this and say, okay, it's 45 on piano, but it's still the full season. Full season here, we're not gonna choose that one. What it's gonna do, it's gonna fill out the entire season. So if we have 38 times, it's gonna just fill the rest of the school year, and we don't want that if it's defined. It's allowed to register, and we're gonna choose the standard. Yeah, so this is the group. We could also just choose individual. It's again gonna choose the one that is already set up, so it's 20, or we can define it as 25. Still full season, and it's allowed to register and re-register. Again, standard. So now the course is completely ready to make as a group, or the students can already sign in on this one. Under categories, this could be the options the students have on this course. So for example, it could be Monday, or maybe Friday courses. So when they're going to choose this one in the registration, they have to choose if they want Mondays or Fridays. We don't have to put anything in here, but it's possible. We could also make a large one where we just have one that says weekdays, and it's going to copy all of the weeks if you're going to use it on more courses. We're going to go through that on a later tutorial. So we have the description of this course. The description is also going to be mentioned in the registration. So what we type in here is also going to be visible for the students and their parents when they register for piano. So piano, so you're going to learn to play the piano. Perfect. So now this course is ready, and it's also described what you're gonna learn in this one. Then we're gonna go to quick access and groups. This is an overview of all the already existing groups, and we're gonna make a new one. Choose the piano, 30 minutes. This is defined as 45 that we just made. Again, you could just make this customizable, so maybe 50 minutes and 19 times. So that's individual for this group. It's allowed to re-register, and this title here is going to tell us maybe it's Mondays. Monday, 2 o'clock. Create, and now the group is also created. Back to the overview, and we can see here that the piano has been created, so it's in the overview. This one will show us that we have no students on it right now, and would of course show us if we got students in it, like this one. If we want to create or edit a course, we'll go back to it, to the piano, and we could edit the name, public name, or we could also edit the different things in here.